Hello tea lovers, welcome to the tea plug, and if you're returning, welcome back to the plug that keeps on oozing tea on a daily basis right into your cup. So last time I did a video of the entire sister wives thing going on between Joey Chavis and Young Miami, of course with Diddy there in the mix. So we all witnessed how Joey Chavis was thrown a very beautiful party by Diddy, and how she was spotted together in Italy with Diddy, and people were speculating that Young Miami felt some type of way because she had been previously linked to the men. Also, when that entire Joey Chavis and Diddy situation was kind of trending on the internet, that is when Young Miami deleted all her pictures, or rather hid them from her Instagram. And when she started reposting stuff on her page, she did post this particular picture. She was looking hot and saucy and spicy and all the good things. And Diddy, like the kind of man that he is, decided to jump into the comment section and publicly comment. It was a positive comment, actually complimented her, and then he also said shorty whoop. All right, so now yesterday when Young Miami posted a picture and captioned it shorty whoop, like I'm telling you, it set the internet on flames, because apparently from what I'm gathering from people who are from the 90s, shorty whoop is like a term that is, it's the equivalent of today's baddie. So it was more like a compliment, and now people were like, okay, to use Diddy's post comment as her new caption, this must be something that Diddy usually calls her. And people really started thinking that, you know what, maybe Young Miami is actually in love with Diddy, and other people were like, go girl, go get the bag, and other people were like people were saying a lot of different things, and I'm actually going to put the comments right in this video. So tea lovers, I personally do not know what is going on amongst the three of them. At this point, I think they are both out. They, like, both Joey and Young Miami are aware of whatever is happening, and I think they love it. All right, I think they like whatever it is that is going on. They are grown women, of course. So, like Wendy Williams would say, if they like it, we love it. All right. So I would like to know your opinion concerning that, or maybe these guys are just playing with our minds. They probably just like the attention. Probably they're just friends amongst the three of them. Maybe the other side is just, friends, and there's actually nothing going on. I could see that happening as well, and maybe they just want us to talk about it the way you are doing, and deep down they know what is going on. So I would like to know what you think about that, tea lovers. Now, before I move on to the next story that I'm going to be talking about, I would like to kindly remind you to hit that subscribe button and do turn on the notification bell, so that you'll be notified each and every time that I post. And I post each and every single day. I keep you updated on what is happening in the celebrity world on Instagram, on Twitter, about all things trending. Really, I just pick random topics that I think would be interesting for you guys, and I serve you tea each and every single day. Now, moving on to the next story that I'm going to be talking about, it seems like there is this guy who looks almost like Drake. All right, the other time there's this girl who said him, like, she went like, oh, guess who I met, Drake, and then the guy showed his face and blah 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 blah. So now recently, Academics posted a video of that fake Drake appearing to be stuck outside of a club, and people had a full day with him, and they were like, oh, why are they doing fake Drake like that? They declined him access into the club, and people just had a lot of things to say. And also people felt some type of way about this fake Drake is getting media coverage more than the actual Drake, because at this point they are posting him more than the actual Drake himself. And I think it's kind of making other people mad, because they're like, okay, you're a grown person and we get it, you look like Drake, we get it, it was funny the first time, but for you to make this a trend, I mean, people really had mixed feelings in the comment sections. And however, it later appeared like he managed to get into the club, and then he had drinks sent to his table, which also made people feel some type of way. Now, I do not know how Drake himself feels about that, but I could see this becoming annoying. It's fun whilst it's, it's not an everyday thing, but if it becomes like an everyday thing, I could see why people are mad. And other people are actually saying that this guy doesn't really look like Drake. He looks like a mixture of Drake and French Montana. And other people were like, he's too short to be like direct doppelganger. So tea lovers, I would like to know what you think about that. Personally, I'm indifferent about this entire situation. Like, if he likes it, then I mean, it is what it is, man. It's what it is. And so I would like to know your opinion concerning that. Now, thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for making it this far. And if you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button. Child, I see you. This is the third, fourth time you're coming here and you are not subscribing. Like, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button now. Thank you for watching, and until my next one, see you.